If you're the type of person who likes going outdoors but still wants to have a nice warm rice meal without the need of electricity or fire, you've found the right video. This is Ina.
And this is Hugo.
And today we will be trying out and showing you this self-heating hot pot rice bowl. A family friend of ours recommended it to us and we ordered several flavors online. The contents of the rice bowl are water, a spork, soy sauce, the bowl, the meat, rice, and the heating pack. Let's start. Stir the rice pack and put the rice grain. And then the water. The hot pots are really hot enough to cook the food with their steam. It takes 15 minutes to cook.
When we added water to the heating pack, which is called
Lime? Yeah, it's lime. It created a chemical reaction. Science, bro. Now we wait and see.
Yeah.
Because I'm hungry.
Steaming.
First try, how's it?
Good. Good. So this is how it looks in the inside. The pack's like small, don't touch it, it's hot. The pack's small and then when it mixes with water, it like absorbs or something.
And it blows up, become airy.
Yeah.
And the water, all the water we put inside evaporated and turned into steam, which was used to cook the food. How do you rate it?
10 over 10. It's very convenient food on the go.
And how about the taste?
Very good.
What's your favorite flavor?
Everything.
The one with mushrooms.